Boy, I done came across this bitch. Look, I done came across this bitch with my Iranian dat nigga. Your pussy said you supposed to come to my defense and help me out, but you won't get on that bitch so I can come. Man, that retarded that lady know damn well nigga ain't say nothing about her wrong. All I said is I never talk to that lady again. She go on that bitch flash and talking about don't lie on me and this and that. Then, bro, you watch. She say she was right there while we did the interview. Man, this lady is fucking mentally ill. But just like me though, she ain't never been a fucking career day in her life. You dumbass nigga, you watching this shit.
Yeah.
You literally watching. What the fuck is man? Stop playing me, man. Tell man say, man story. Look, I ain't gonna even do it. Hey, just leave it alone. And it ain't right. It ain't right. It ain't right, son. It ain't right, bro. But
Mhm.
everybody want to respond to me. Damn. Then nothing, nothing. Now I can't go back to sleep fucking with you. Nigga ain't say nothing. What wrong about this stupid ass hoe?
I know you didn't say nothing wrong about her. You didn't say nothing.
Nah, real talk, nigga ain't say nothing wrong about this stupid ass hoe.
And she
All I said, I never talk to this bitch again. She come on that bitch talking about my kids. What the fuck my kids got to do with anything, you dumb ass hoe? What the fuck is wrong with you, man? Then this bitch gonna say she was right there while we did the interview. Bitch, you ain't never been a career day in your life. A lot of people don't even know my relationship with this. I done seen this stupid ass hoe spit in my grandma's face. This stupid ass bitch done spit in my face before. Nigga ain't got no love for that hoe. I don't get no fuck. Then a lot of niggas a lot of niggas gonna get on this bitch and say, oh, when I see him, I'm gonna beat his ass about what he said about his mom. Boy, I will kill your stupid ass. You better ask her. You better ask her, man, I'll kill your stupid ass. You better mind your motherfucking business. Then X got me so mad, he gonna post that stupid ass shit. You dumbass nigga. All you had to do is call me and I could tell you, brother, lady never been a career day in her life. Can't you see she attention seeking? Man, y'all better leave me the fuck alone. That's what the fuck y'all better do, nigga. I'm fat.